Hello everyone, welcome to Stoic Wisdom today. Have you ever felt drained after helping someone? Like no matter what you give, it's never enough, and somehow you're the one left empty? You're not alone. And no, it doesn't make you a bad person. Stoic philosophy teaches us a powerful truth. Compassion must be guided by wisdom. So today we'll explore 8 signs that someone may not be worth your help, not out of cruelty, but out of self-respect. Let's begin. Sign number 1, the eternal victim. But nothing changes. This person always plays the victim. Nothing is ever their fault. Life is unfair, people are unkind, and they're always suffering, but they never take ownership. You can listen, support, even rescue, but nothing changes. Stoicism reminds us, growth begins with responsibility. If someone refuses to face their role in their struggles, your help will only keep them stuck. Sign number 2, the energy vampire. You know them. They drain you. Constant complaining, gossip, drama. Every conversation feels like walking through a storm. Helping them doesn't lead to peace, it invites more chaos. Stoic wisdom teaches us to guard our peace like treasure. Don't confuse kindness with self-sacrifice. Sometimes, the strongest thing you can do is step back. Sign number 3, the chronically ungrateful. No matter what you do, it's never enough. They accept your help, but rarely, if ever, say thank you. They expect, not appreciate. But Stoicism values gratitude. Helping someone who refuses to recognize your efforts slowly erodes your spirit. Give where it's valued, not where it's demanded. Sign number 4, the self-destructive. This one hurts the most. You care deeply, you want to help, but they push everyone away, including you. Whether it's addiction, reckless choices, or constant sabotage, they're stuck in a downward spiral. Stoicism teaches acceptance. You cannot save someone who won't save themselves. Help when they reach out for it, but don't drown trying to rescue someone still choosing the water. Sign number 5, the chronic excuse maker. Never acting. They have a reason for everything, except real change. Too busy, too tired, too unlucky, always blaming, never acting. But Stoic wisdom says we must focus on what we can control. If someone won't take the first step, your support only feeds their excuses. Inspire them, but don't carry them. Sign number 6, the manipulative master. They seem kind at first. They play the victim, twist the facts, make you feel guilty, and before you know it, you're helping someone who never truly needed help, just control. Stoicism demands clarity and self-respect. Don't let emotional manipulation hijack your values. Protect your boundaries like your peace depends on it, because it does. Sign number 7, the perpetual taker. They're always in need. Time, money, energy, attention. But when you need them, they disappear. True kindness is mutual. Stoicism teaches us to give with intention, not obligation. If someone only takes and never gives, it's time to say that's enough. Sign number 8, the unwilling to change. You see their potential, you believe in them, but they don't want to grow. They stay stuck. And no matter how much you offer, advice, help, love, they push it away. Stoic thinking reminds us, not everyone is ready. And that's okay. Let go. Focus on your own path. Final thought. Help with wisdom, not guilt. Not everyone who asks for help deserves it. That's not cold. it's clarity. Your time, energy, and heart are sacred. Help those who are ready, who are grateful, who are trying. And when it's time to walk away, do it with love and strength. Because that's what Stoicism is about. Compassion with courage, empathy with boundaries. Thank you for joining me today. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Stoic Wisdom Today, where timeless philosophy meets modern strength. Until next time, stay strong, stay silent, and protect your peace.